The high-range 95-foot wireless transmitter SKU 11109 plug into any camera or monitor that have an RCA connection. They are 100% weatherproof and have a wireless range of 95 feet. The setup is easy. Connect the transmitter to the camera, then plug the receiver into the monitor, connect them both to 12 volts, and you're good to go. Though they can be left outside, many of our customers tuck them away in creative places like cabinets. Their operating temperature ranges between an incredible negative 40 degrees to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, they are designed to pop on when you go in reverse or stay on 24/7. Perfect for security when you're parked. Remember, if you need any extra help, we back you up with our American-based tech support. Don't forget to check out our over 2,400 verified, that is verified, 5-star reviews on Trustpilot. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Safe travels!